I have seen a lot of people talking online about how they cannot find any card designs in Cricut Design Space anymore that are not the insert style cards that go on the cutting mat, the new cutting mat. Well, first off, I want to tell you I design lots of cards. Here's just a few. None of these use any pre designed stuff from Design Space. I can show you, click on any one of these links. I'll show you how to design your own. But then I can tell you how to use the new cutting mat. Those are specifically for insert style cards. Again, I have a tutorial here to teach you how to make those. But let's go take a look in Design Space. If I go under Projects and I click on Cards, the majority of the cards you see are going to be those insert style cards. Why? Because they're trying to push their mat that's brand new. So here's the bad part, it's going to be all the stuff that's up front and right in your face. But if you keep scrolling and scrolling, and I might have to scroll for a while, you will find other cards on here eventually. Here's a pop up style card. Here's another pop up. So those would not use the new mat. Here's more pop up cards. So there are other card options. You just have to look a little bit harder because, again, they just came out with this brand new mat and they want you to be bombarded with information on using that mat so that you feel like you have to go out and get it. But now that I've gotten deeper into things, look at here's some great cards that would not use that mat and are not insert style cards. They really do. Here's one that's really cute. Okay, so I think I showed you that you can kind of search and find some, but you might have to put in a little bit more work than you want. You can also go to images. Click on cards there. Again, you're going to see a lot of stuff that is for the insert cards, but this one isn't. It's free to make too. These are card fronts. Any of these could go on a card. I can go to project type and go cards. Let's see what that gets me. So these are all designs that could go on the front of the cards. Here's another thing you can do. Go to image. Let's clear all these. Let's go back here. Let's go to image sets. On image sets, I am going to type in card. Let's see what happens. Here's sentiments for your cards. Here's all different styles of cards. These are smiley cards. There's some card shapes or some just designs to put in there. Simple cards. Well, these are kind of fun because then you can just add your own sentiment to them. Here's some. So there's all different ways to find some really great cards that you can make in Cricut Design Space that do not use the new card mat. Or you can do what I do and go and design your own. Again, like I said here, click on any one of those links and you're going to see my tutorial. But just for example, here's how I designed a basic card all on my own. Took it from this to this. And then I did 4 variations on the exact same pattern. and then I turned it into a slim line card. So I hope that helps you find all of the different card making options in Cricut Design Space.